Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to append multiple files or multiple data into one sheet in Excel. Okay, so I have three files. This is my Bangalore sales file, this is my Mumbai sales file, and this is Delhi sales file. Now I have to combine it. Okay, so by using Power Query you can easily combine it and you can send it to your boss or wherever you need. Okay, so what you have to do, first go to data. Okay, then click on get data, just click on it. Okay, then here you will see Excel workbook. As my file is all different files, okay, these are all different Excel, so you have to click on this Excel workbook, then click on browse. Okay, now these are the workbooks. Okay, so first I want to just click on that one, okay, sheet, get data. Now click on next. Now you have to choose this location. Okay, now you have to click on transform data, not load, just click on transform data. Okay, then what you have to do, again click on this data. Here you will see the option, click on data, again workbook, again now select the second one. So I want this Mumbai wala, get next. Okay, now again this sheet, choose this one, click on create. Okay, now again go to data, Excel workbook, browse. Now I want this Bangalore. Okay, this one. Now click on get data, next. Okay, now Excel sheet, create. Now all sheets has been created. Now I want to append, so our combined, suggest here you will see combine option, click on it, append queries, here you will see little arrow, click on it and append queries new as a new. Now as I have three or more than three tables, so you have to just select this one. Okay, go down here, this is the sheet. If you are doing one first time, you will see only three sheets. Okay, so I have 7, 8 and 9. Now click on OK. Now when you click on OK, you will see all the Delhi, this is Mumbai and this is Bangalore. Okay, all the sheets has been merged. Okay, you can remove duplicates, just click on it and all the duplicates will be removed. You can choose column, go to columns, you can do all these things. Okay, after that just click on close and load. So when you click on close and load, you will see all the files has been merged. So like this you can append files using Power Query in Excel. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.